Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this basic and simple video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate that you can find your Pinterest boards. So that's a very simple thing to do. First of all, you will simply need to launch the app, and in here among this little bottom icons you have, just go for this one, for this little avatar or blank generic profile picture icon kinda, and at your profile page, Pinterest profile, in the saved sections, not created, make sure to be at the saved section, you'll find over here all the boards that you have to your name. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video. We highly appreciate your attention, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.